An expert in psychiatry gave jurors some insight today into the mental state of Prince Hepburn at the time he allegedly killed Nellie Brown Cox.
The doctor is one of 4 witnesses who will testify in Hepburn's defense. Foreign Carey has been following this trial for us and has this report.
Prince Hepburn opening his defense today after the court determined that he does have a case to answer in the death of Nellie Brown Cox. During the proceedings, Hepburn chose to remain silent. However, he informed the court he would be calling 4 witnesses, among them an expert in psychiatry, Dr. Michael Neville. The doctor testified that he evaluated Hepburn's mental state last August at Foxhill Prison. At that time, Dr. Neville said Hepburn told him he was very happy with Nellie Brown Cox and they were planning to get married once their divorces were finalized. However, Hepburn soon discovered that Brown Cox was reportedly having an affair, which the doctor said left the married father of 2 completely and utterly devastated. And from that point on, Hepburn developed a depressive illness and decided that the only solution was to kill himself and Brown Cox. Shortly afterwards, the doctor said Hepburn bought a cutlass even though he already had one. On the day the crime happened, the doctor said Hepburn informed him he was reading his mother's obituary shortly before Brown Cox came home. When he questioned her about the affair, Brown Cox made light of it, and as a result, Hepburn flew into a rage, got a cutlass, and chopped Brown Cox and then himself. The doctor indicated that he believed Hepburn's story because his account fitted what had actually happened on the day Brown Cox was murdered. When asked by Hepburn's attorney Muriel DeSeal if it was unusual or out of character for someone like Hepburn, who was known as a humble person, to behave as he did, the doctor said yes. Lead prosecutor Franklin Williams also wanted to know if Brown Cox's murder was premeditated, as Hepburn bought a cutlass and then attempted to commit suicide to get out of it. But the doctor strongly disagreed, noting that Hepburn is ill and his actions were irrational. The trial continues Tuesday morning. Foreign Carey, ZNS Network News.